Hello guys, welcome back. In the previous lessons we learned about gradient colors and something more specific, but today we are going to learn about the insert page. Here we can create tables, pictures, screenshots, photo albums, shapes, icons, 3D models, smart art, or anything else. Today we are going to only learn about icons. Icons is where you can add some amazing art style to your works. These are some amazing things you can add, some graphics. They can be really useful, handful, for example, this rocket type or this thing. And you just click on them. You must have internet for going to this page. You just click on them and then press insert. Wait a little. Your icons have been added. The important thing about icon is that the icons are the useful things that they have graphic formats like the shapes we will learn later. These have graphic formats. We can, when we click on an icon, the graphic format page has been created. We can here do many works on our graphic things. We can convert it to shape, change graphic pictures. For example, what each of them do, I will tell you. Okay, let's start with change graphic picture. We go from a stock image. We can add a picture. And what happened? It convert our graphic format to a picture. It's not useful and we didn't need them. Let's go to another object. The thing is convert to shape. When we press this, it's make our graphic format like a shape. Let's tell you what is differences. For example, when we click here, this is one object. But when we convert it to shape, it is the object. It's contain many different shapes. Then we can modify them if we want. For example, if you need, you can make it larger, but many times it doesn't look as well as you want. And I don't really recommend you to do this thing unless you know what you are doing. For example, make it bigger and something smaller. Create something like this. But I don't really understand why you need to do something when the first shape is too good looking. You can create shape like this. Let's go to the next thing. It is the graphic fields. There are many ready fields that you can use here. You can choose from these colors, for example this green, or if you don't want to use these colors, you can just use the colors from here. You can use any color you want, for example green, yellow, and any outline you want. You can also change the outline weight to more lines. It has very options, I will tell you. And you can also change the outline type, for example, to dashes and anything else. It have all text. You don't need to note about them now, but we will learn about them. And you can also align your shape in the desktop where you want. You can group or ungroup. With ungrouping, it convert your data to a shape, your graphic format to a shape. And you can also use this thing to bigger and make a smaller your shape. And it's crop. Crop option is the thing you can reduce which side of the picture you want. But the good thing about crop is that the half of the rocket isn't deleted. It's here. You can click on crop and make it appear again. The crop option is really amazing. You can crop it to shapes. For example, this shape. and another shape. But the most important thing about crop is we are going to learn about this in another lesson, not now. Let's go and see what else we can do with this thing. We can format graphics, and here we can choose how the solid line around it by, and you can also add some amazing effects like shadows. You can create a shadow for it, for example inner shadows, and you can change the transparency, blur, anything you want. Or like these shadows, make your shape 3D. I will tell you a great course about shadows, a lesson about shadows, reflection. But the most important thing is you can create reflections, or you can make it glow. The glow is this color you saw, or you can make it the edge soft. It's useful many times, but sometimes not. You can make it 3D format, for example, like this or this. Or you can change the understanding of the type, bottom, depth, or make it more or less realistic or something else. I will tell you about them, but just for now you must understand we have them. Or you can make it change in ratio, 3D ratio. You can change it. For example, the rocket look like this, and you can add artistic effects if it. The next page is that you can adjust the size of it. Best scale for slideshow. You can make it adjustable or anything you want, or you can make the position of it. For example, where the position go from. Or you can create a text box, and here you can correct the picture. These are the effects like brightness. They are useful. For example, if we less the brightness, the picture is gonna be black. And you can also choose the contrast and change the picture colors. It has many effects, or you can lower the transparency and the crop option, as I told you. This is the end and the most thing you can get from the graphics in Photoshop. The graphics in PowerPoint. We are going to learn more about shadows and anything else in this course. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you are in hurry and need of some template, we have the template course here. You can go and choose one of the templates and create it for yourself and your presentation. Have a good day.